We have Pablo here today who's going to teach us about how to find the volume of a cone. So Pablo, how do we start?
We find the formula of the cone.
Okay, how do we do that?
And the formula is V equals 1/3 area of the base times the height.
All right, so you have 1/3 of the area of the base times the height. Every other shape that we've done so far has been just area of the base times the height. Why is it 1/3? Can you explain that?
It's 1/3 because it is 1/3 of a cylinder.
Oh, I see. I see what you did there. Okay, so we have 1/3 of almost the formula for a cylinder. Okay, so you also have a capital B there, which means you said area of the base. What shape do we have for our base?
We have a circle for the base.
Oh, good. So how do we find the area of that? What's our formula for that we can plug in?
Our formula is pi r squared.
And then you have to remember that height, right? That we're going to
And
add in for the other part of it? Good. That's from our original formula, right? What does that R stand for?
The radius.
The radius. All right. Well, go ahead and point out. Can you point out where our radius is and where our height is in that example?
The radius is
Okay.
right here.
Great.
And the height is right here.
Great. Can you plug in some numbers for me, and then you can keep on going and tell me what you're doing as you're going, okay?
V pi 3.14.
Yep, that's a constant. That'll never change, right?
Yeah. And the radius is 4 squared times the height is 6 feet.
Awesome. Okay. Where are you going to start with that when you solve that problem?
It's PEMDA, so we're gonna have to start with the exponent. So 4 squared, so it's 4 times 4 will be 16.
You remembered a lot of things there. You remember that we have to start with PEMDAS, so our exponents have to go first. And I love that you did 4 times 4 is how we do exponents. Nicely done.
And 16.
Okay. I like that you're writing everything else down again, too.
Rewriting.
All right. So go ahead and do some magic calculations right there. And what do you end up with?
You have to multiply 3.14 times 16 times 6, and you'll get 301.44,
Awesome.
and then rewrite it. V equals 1/3 times 301 minus 0.44.
Yeah, we could, okay, instead of multiplying by 1/3, what could we do?
We can divide.
By?
We can divide by 3 instead of multiplying by 1/3.
Good. And so what are we left with when we simplify that?
When we simplify it, we get V equals 100.48 feet cubed,
Why cubed?
because it's 3D.
It's a 3D shape. Awesome. Thank you.
And there's squared,
Uh-huh.
so it's 2, and we have 3.
So since you did radius squared, you did feet times feet when you did the squared, and then you did times feet when you did the height. So you ended up multiplying feet times feet times feet, which gave you 3 times. Awesome. That was brilliant. Thank you so much for sharing that, Pablo. So I want to move over to this other problem over here. Can you tell me how to tackle that problem? What's different between this problem and the other problem?
This problem has a diameter,
Okay.
so we're going to have to do half of 12.
Why? Because what do we need for this problem instead of a diameter? We need a
radius instead of a diameter.
Good, so we're going to follow that same formula, right? Okay, so can you plug it in for me? You can just go ahead and do your thing, and maybe I'll ask you a couple questions along the way. remember that was the area of the base, which was a circle, right?
1/3 times 3.14.
There's our constant pi.
Half of 12 is 6, so then your radius is going to be 6.
I like that you did that. So a radius is half of a diameter. We have to remember. Love it.
And then times the height is 13.
Love it. Okay. Where are you going to start first on this one?
Start with the exponents.
Mm-hmm.
So then it's going to be 6 times 6 equals 36.
Good. I like that you did that on the side. Okay.
Rewrite it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it gets tricky sometimes, right? Okay. Now what do we do?
We multiply 3.14 times 36 times 13.
Okay. And we end up with?
We end up with 1,469.52.
Or 5200s. Yep. Okay.
And then rewrite it and do V equals 1/3 times 1,469.52.
Okay.
And we can do 1/3 times 1,469.52, or you can divide by 3,
Okay. What do you end up with?
and you end up with V equals 489.94
And
and
94 hundredths. Okay. Give me my units down the bottom. Don't squeeze it in there. Put it down the bottom.
Unit is inches squared cubed.
Good catch. Inches cubed because we're multiplying up here. We're doing inches times inches and then times inches. There's our units, okay? Nicely done, Pablo. I'm very proud of you. Thank you for helping us all understand it better. I appreciate it. Have a great day, buddy.